In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change video speed in CapCut PC. If you've ever wanted to fast forward through a long loading screen or slow down a tricky step so viewers can follow along, adjusting speed is one of the quickest ways to improve pacing and clarity in your edit. Start by looking at your timeline and clicking on the clip you want to adjust. When the clip is selected, CapCut automatically opens its Editing Properties panel in the top right corner of your screen. If you don't see it, make sure the clip is actually highlighted in the timeline. The panel only shows detailed controls for the active clip. This keeps your changes targeted, so you're never editing the wrong piece of footage. In that top right panel, click on the Speed tab. You'll notice there are different ways to work with speed here, but for simple, clean changes, make sure it's set to Normal. Normal mode gives you the straightforward speed multiplier slider, which is perfect for quick adjustments without getting into advanced curves. Now, use the slider to dial in the pace you need. To fast forward through a long process, drag the slider to the right. You can push it to 2 times, 5 times, or anywhere in between to compress that section and keep your video moving. To slow a moment down for clarity, drag the slider to the left. As you adjust, you'll see the clip's length and the timeline change in real time. Speeding up makes the clip shorter, and slowing down makes it longer. That visual feedback helps you immediately understand how the new speed affects your overall timing. If your clip contains voice or other important audio, you'll want it to stay natural. By default, speeding up can make voices sound chipmunk-like, and slowing down can make them unusually deep. To fix that, check the voice tone change box at the bottom of the speed panel. This keeps speech sounding natural while preserving your new timing, so the message is clear even at faster or slower speeds. A couple of quick tips as you fine-tune. Make moderate moves first. Jump to 2 times or half speed, preview, and then refine, so you can feel the pacing before you commit. Extremely high speeds can look jumpy depending on your footage, while very slow speeds may emphasize camera shake or motion blur. And that's it. Perfect video pacing in just a couple of clicks. You're all set. Done.